Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the iOttie 100W Retractable USB-C Cable, a compact and versatile charging solution designed for fast charging on the go. If you're tired of tangled cables or bulky cords taking up space in your bag or car, this might be the gadget you've been waiting for. The iOttie 100W Retractable USB-C cable comes as a 2-pack, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices. The cable is built for both charging and data transfer, delivering speeds up to 480 megabits per second, making it practical for syncing your music, videos, or files while keeping your devices powered. One of the standout features is its support for 100W fast charging. Using a compatible charger, this cable can provide rapid and efficient power delivery for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This is made possible by the integrated e-marker chip, which intelligently detects your device and delivers the optimal charge, protecting your battery while maximizing speed. The retractable design is another major advantage. The cable can adjust to 4 different lengths, ranging from 0.66 feet up to 3.3 feet, giving you flexibility whether you're charging on a desk, in the car, or lounging on the couch. The flat, tangle-resistant design ensures the cable stays organized, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. Perfect for travel or daily use. Durability has also been taken into account. The cable is engineered to resist twists and pulls, and the flat design helps prevent tangling or knotting, which is especially useful in busy environments or when moving between locations. Despite being retractable, the cable maintains a sturdy feel and reliable performance even after repeated use. In terms of aesthetics and usability, the iOttie cable is sleek and minimalist. Its compact shell keeps it low profile on your desk or in your bag, and the retractable mechanism works smoothly, allowing for quick adjustments without any hassle, whether you're charging at a short distance in your car or from a nearby outlet. While working or gaming, this cable adapts seamlessly to your setup. The package weighs just over 5 ounces and comes in a clean white finish. Each cable has 24 pins and is male-to-male USB Type-C, making it universally compatible with modern USB-C devices. The cable supports both indoor and outdoor use, adding another layer of convenience for travel or home setups. Overall, the iOttie 100W Retractable USB-C cable combines fast charging, smart power delivery, and a space-saving design. It's a practical solution for anyone looking to simplify their charging setup while maintaining efficiency and portability. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, this cable ensures you're powered up without the clutter. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.